What I'm going to explain right now is how we started and how did we go from simple programs and calculators to AI agents that can be tasked to do anything we want them to do, whether for research, content creation, marketing, selling, literally anything. I don't want you to be scared. Rather, I want you to be realistic and think about how you can upskill yourself, learn how we have come this far, and now be part of this exciting AI revolution, which is a big opportunity. As you know, for ages, computers were obedient calculators, precisely executing the instructions given by their programmers. But now there's a big shift. These machines are gaining the remarkable ability to learn, reason, and communicate like we humans do. We're seeing the rise of generative AI technologies that can perform creative intellectual work previously confined to human minds alone. You may have already encountered early signs of this through products like ChatGPT or Claude. A new form of intelligence is becoming available as a service that anyone can access. It's like a vast, omniscient mind in the cloud. It's not perfect. There are some limitations, but it's surprisingly capable and rapidly evolving at an exponential pace. I'm pretty sure when you started playing around with ChatGPT, you didn't say, "Hey, that was fun." I'm pretty sure you said, "Wow, how can I augment this to do my work better? How can I learn from it? How can I improve my skill set?" If you are a coder, you could refine your coding skills. If you are a writer, you could refine your writing skills. This is what I was doing, and I quickly realized that it's getting better and better at writing code. In fact, you can tell it to write a program, and it's going to write a fully functional program. So basically, the technology, as you can see, is improving rapidly. Now, this monumental development will undoubtedly impact every individual business and industry across the globe, presenting both opportunities and challenges. Now, think about this. What is AI really? Think of AI as an intelligent supercomputer or brain. It contains all the collective knowledge and reasoning capabilities of all the greatest minds throughout history. Think about this. You can have Einstein on demand, Elon Musk, or people in history like Socrates to help write content for you. Perhaps you can customize Einstein to give you nutrition advice, and it will generate content in the style of Einstein. Say, write a rap song in the style of Shakespeare, and it will create a rap song in the style of Shakespeare, and it's pretty damn good. Now, if you haven't played around with this technology, I really encourage you, go to ChatGPT, go to Claude, go to Google's Gemini, go to Leonardo AI. Put all the links for you in the next module so you can start seeing this in action. One of the things I like to do is use ChatGPT as a way to think through ideas and refine some content. These are different ways to do this. I can show you some hacks later on in the course. Think about this. You can pick your favorite character in history or someone you look up to, perhaps a YouTube personality, and you want to understand how they think. You also want them to give you specialized knowledge in a certain field: business, marketing, poetry, anything you can think of. For example, I use a mix of Tim Ferriss, Alex Hormozi, Sam Ovens as my content creation coach. This is absolutely revolutionizing. As capable as AI intelligence would be, it still has very human-like constraints. It can make mistakes, jump to illogical conclusions, or simply misunderstand the context you provide. The biggest limitation, though, is not the AI's own capabilities, but rather your ability as a user to communicate clearly and construct effective prompts to guide it, a skill known as prompt engineering. Now, this will be a vital skill in the AI age, as basic literacy has been. We'll cover prompt engineering as well as essential concepts like RAG to augment your LLM so you can steer it in the right direction, provide more accurate domain-specific knowledge, and avoid certain pitfalls like hallucination. We'll also cover what hallucination is in a later module. Most people severely underestimate the capabilities of AI and what it can potentially accomplish. It could be a superhuman genius on call to proofread your emails, make calls for you, give you tips to improve your business, etc. Nowadays, with AI agents, it could even run a whole agency, like a travel agency, from content writing, researching, creating travel itineraries, booking flights, anything you can think of. Now, I've been in the AI space for a while. I started as a data scientist and machine learning specialist. I work with several US companies. Now, what really got me involved with AI is some of its capabilities. As I saw what AI had the potential to do, I got more intrigued. Now remember, the AI is in your hands. The more you interact with it, whether it's open source or proprietary, you're going to gain an amazing skill. You're going to learn how to use these resources to perhaps start a business, augment your work, or upskill yourself. This area is very new. There are so many avenues you can take this. We're discovering more surprising and powerful applications every day. And you'll also discover more across all facets of your life and business. Right now, as we speak, Google Gemini 1.5 Pro has just been released, and they have something called multimodal capabilities, which means the LLM model can process not only text, but also images, sound, and videos. For example, I played around with it by uploading an entire YouTube video to Gemini and also providing some engagement data to basically customize Google Gemini as a content creator coach. Google Gemini can look at all these data points and then provide me with guidance on how to speak, how to communicate, what part of the video I should keep doing more of, and what kind of content I should make more of. Additionally, I'm using GPT-4o, the latest model from OpenAI, as a language learning coach. This model is not only multimodal, but also has emotional intelligence. For example, if it finds me frustrated, it can tone down content. If it finds me motivated, it can progressively make it harder for me. This kind of technology will eventually shape all facets of human life.